continue to put out more videos from the Kabul airport where the chaos is mounting. More and more people are wanting to flee. Non-stop videos that have been pouring into our newsroom. And the way Taliban continues to mount atrocities against innocents on the ground. We got you those videos of how a child was taken on the other side, and huge crowds at the Kabul airport who are attempting to escape. Shivani is with me on the broadcast. Shivani, there are just more and more videos that are coming in of the same scenes in Afghanistan. People are just wanting to leave, and rightly so.
So, Aisha, all these videos are quite heart-wrenching, very shocking, heartbreaking, because these are the videos where we see people screaming. They are full of fear, they are full of anxiety, they don't know what will happen to them in the coming days, because since 15th of August, since Kabul has fallen to the Taliban, we are seeing this kind of panic on the streets of Kabul, and especially on the Kabul airport, where because people want to flee Kabul now, they just don't want to stay under the rule of Taliban. Though, on the other hand, we've also seen how the protests have been happening against the Taliban. There are some people who are gathering courage and they want to rise against the Taliban. We've also seen how in the Panjshir province of Afghanistan, the Northern Alliance has come together. There also a lot of support is there, and this resistance is gaining momentum. But definitely this is really sad to see these kind of videos that they are emerging within minutes, and we are getting these videos regularly and keeping the viewers aware of what is actually happening in Kabul right now. We are getting hundreds of messages also in which people living in Kabul they are trying to share their grief, their pain, and they want to flee as early as possible. We know that the people from a number of countries and a number of embassies, they are also active, and they are also evacuating the people of their respective countries. Even the United States is doing so. But if we talk about India's evacuation mission, we know that it started long back. In fact, when the war had begun in Afghanistan, a number of flights had brought back. But till then, the private flights were going on. But after 15th of August, as we all know, the whole airspace, the whole airport got disrupted. So now the Indian Air Force aircrafts are ferrying people, they are evacuating people, and number of sorties are going on each day. And they are also helping Indians and also Afghans and other community people. Even the Sikh community people who were stranded in Afghanistan are being brought back to India. In this whole process, we see what is the situation at Kabul airport, how people and even women are there. We saw one very heart-touching video of a small child, in fact, an infant who was being handed over to a US soldier by one of the mothers who just wanted to secure the future. She wants her child to live, at least. And that's the kind of pain that we are now witnessing from these pictures and videos that are constantly emerging from Kabul.